Good day everyone. I just wanted to share something. John 11:35, which is famously the shortest verse in many English translations of the Bible. Jesus wept. Well, we all know that the event where Jesus weeps, Lazarus, Jesus' friend, dies. Jesus arrives 4 days later, sees his sister Mary and Martha grieving, and despite knowing that he'll raise him, Jesus weeps. He then goes to the tomb and raises Lazarus from the dead, proving his power over death. You know what? Jesus knew Lazarus would rise again. Still, he wept. Because embracing pain is not negating faith. It's actually part of being in the likeness of God. So, have hope. Uh, don't deny your emotions and pay attention to them. Feel what you need to feel. And then, of course, enjoy the coming, enjoy the resurrection, and enjoy the new hope. Have a blessed week, everyone.